We are breaking out of burger mode with this outdoor menu. No dogs, no patties, but all American, just the same. Amy Richardson is shaking up our thinking by bringing us this sandwich party. First of all, I've missed you. It's so good to see you. And the sandwich, you're making it cool all over again. Who knew the sandwich could be so cool?
Well, I hope so. I thought it would be kind of fun. I mean, we were just looking for different ways to entertain, right?
Yeah.
Something fresh and new.
Well, and we were talking earlier at the beginning of the show how you put it on a stick and food becomes instantly more fun, right?
It is, and this is kind of a fun thing. Like, I have like 3 suggestions, but really people can put together whatever they want. You just put out stuff and they can assemble it how they want.
So it's a sandwich bar. Maybe you've seen that before. What you haven't seen are the skewers that go with it. That's the concept here.
Right, everything on a skewer. In fact, dessert on a skewer, fruit on a skewer, the sandwiches on a skewer, and this is just kind of a fun way to build it up. And you can just kind of put it on a long skewer, go and just get those. They're cheap enough. They're like $1 for a package, and just layer up. I've got 3 different kinds that I decided to do that are kind of fun, and I themed them kind of to go with, you know, summer and I don't know.
I walked out and I said, how do you do it? This spread is amazing. It's the type of casual summer party that you would want to attend.
Right, everything is pretty much bought. The whole thing is bought, except for this. I did 3 kind of specialty barbecue sauces and homemade lemonade.
And I just have to say, it's beefier than a kebab. I like how it's bigger, it's prettier.
Yeah, my mom was like, how do you eat it? And I said, I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, Mom.
You just squish it down and you just eat it.
Who cares about that
That's
detail?
right. Or you could deconstruct it and eat it one at a time, or however you want.
Okay, let's get into your 3 sandwich combinations.
Okay, so I have what I'm calling the cowboy, and it's kind of just classic. It's got roast beef, cheddar cheese, hickory smoked bacon, butter lettuce I used, avocado, and then I made a barbecue ranch sauce.
A barbecue ranch?
Yeah, and I did homemade ranch, kind of semi-homemade ranch, and then I bought barbecue sauce and put it together, and so it's really good. It's got a nice tang to it.
Awesome, and I love how, did you make these signs?
I did.
I love how you've got them all laid out there, so I know as a party guest exactly what to do. It's in front of me, I see the combination, I can read it. That's just party brilliance.
Yep, and then you can just kind of either follow that or do your own. And you could definitely fancy it up, but I just decided to go all American, basic, just real good food.
May I taste?
Oh yeah,
May I do a little finger dip?
Totally. Do you like barbecue ranch?
Oh my gosh, that's good.
It's fun.
Barbecue
it's yummy.
ranch.
Then I went ahead and I did the Caballero Club and did sourdough toast with turkey, bacon, ham, applewood smoked ham, avocado, pepper jack cheese, butter, lettuce, avocados, fresh sliced tomatoes, or you can do grape tomatoes, whatever you like when you're putting it together, and then I have a lemon ranch dip with that.
A lemon ranch?
A lemon ranch.
Look at you throwing the mix in the spread. That's kind of a fun way to pop up a sandwich.
Yeah, because you don't need to do much to make it unique.
Yeah.
You know, it's just kind of a matter of just adding a little thing here or there.
Now I'm mad I've already used my tasting finger because I want to try that too. That's what a commercial break is for. Hey, are these skewers bigger than usual?
No, they're just kind of standard size.
Okay.
And you don't need to soak them because you're just doing it for sandwiches, so mostly you soak them.
Yeah.
You know, they're that kind. So just kind of something fun, and I tied a ribbon on them, but you definitely don't have to do that.
And I like how you've toasted the bread. That's an extra hostess detail.
Totally,
that I
and you can do that
difference.
on the barbecue too if you want to, if you're out there. So
nice. All right, sandwich number 3.
The last one I call the Blue Rooster, and it's got ciabatta rolls, and I found these little mini ciabatta rolls, which are cute. Or if you get the bigger ones from Costco, just cut them into 4s.
Yes.
Roasted chicken with sliced apples, blue cheese, butter lettuce, and a honey mustard dipping sauce, and that's kind of got some extra stuff in it too, kind of fun.
This is amazing. There used to be a sandwich shop up near you in the Avenues. Was it called the Avenue Bakery?
Oh yeah, yes.
They did a sandwich like this.
Oh, really?
I cried real tears when they finally closed their doors because they put the apple with the turkey, and to me that is the most
so delicious because it's just fresh and it's just good.
Did you say what spread goes with that?
It's a honey mustard.
Honey mustard.
A honey mustard, and then I did black Parmesan pepper chips and little glass baskets of watermelon and fresh raspberries with mint and lime.
Amy, you're amazing. Where did the chips come from?
The chips are just, you know, you just buy them and then you just add
they're bought.
They're bought.
And look at these cute little chip sacks.
The bags were cute. Those were just from Michael's, and I actually got the little jars with the handles at all $1.
Oh, you're kidding.
Yeah, they were so cute. They're supposed to be a votive, but I thought, who doesn't want to eat out of a little jar like that?
Well, and those are the type of party pieces that you will pull out again and again, right?
Yeah.
Investment party pieces,
or you could use them for a votive.
Well, I was going to say, I just called buy from the dollar store an investment party piece.
It is, it is.
But it is.
But it's the same almost as buying it from Zurcher, so why not?
I love this idea. I love this concept for a party or even just for a fun at-home dinner as a mom if you're looking to shake it up.
Totally.
Cute.
So
cute. All right, where can we get more of your fabulous ideas?
I have all the complete recipes. I've got some on KSL, and then I've got all the complete recipes and menus at greattastebuds.com. And follow me on Instagram, too.
You have to follow her on Instagram because she's constantly posting these recipes. You posted an ice cream flavor last week that looked amazing.
Oh, yeah. What was that?
What was that?
I
Go to
can't
her
even
Instagram.
remember.
All I remember is I started to cry tears from my mouth, aka my mouth was watering. That's how good it looked. Thank you so much. Very fun.